Yan, no? So, welcome for our today's lesson. So, we'll be discussing the determinants. Okay, so this is one of the most important lessons in linear algebra, no? In getting the determinant of a matrix. So, bakit kaya? This determinant kasi, no, based sa definition, it is a scalar value specially defined for square matrices. So, meaning, wala tayong determinants if our matrix is a rectangular matrix. Ibig sabihin, hindi equal or hindi same yung kanilang number of rows sa number of columns. No? So, yun lang yung pinapasabi ng square matrix natin. Okay, so with that, a function, yung determinant daw is a function which associates each square matrix with a unique number. Ibig sabihin, there is no square matrix, no multiple square matrix with the same determinant. Each square matrix has a unique determinant. Okay? So, and ano ba yung mga applications ng determinants natin, no? So, we have here getting the area of a triangle, which hindi naman na natin i-discuss, no? So, but determinants can also be used in getting the systems of linear equations, solutions to systems of linear equations, no? So, saan siya nagfo-fall, no? Sa, of course, Cramer's rule, no? By using Cramer's rule. But we will discuss Cramer's rule in another topic, no? We will first focus on the determinant itself, no? Then we have the inverse of a matrix, which is yun yung one of the last lessons in linear algebra na pag-uusapan natin. Okay? So, for example, na paano ba natin kinukuha? Oops, sorry. Paano ba natin kinukuha, no, yung determinant ng isang matrix? Kapag one by one yung matrix natin, obviously, that is a matrix that contains only a single element, no? So, kung ano yung element na yun na yung kanyang matrix of determinant, obviously, no? So, that's for 1 by 1. For 2 by 2, ganito naman, ano? So, let's focus. No, paano ba natin kinukuha to? So, by the way, no, ang symbol ng determinant is det, no? Yung det parenthesis ng name ng matrix, no? Kung ano letter ng name ng matrix, or yung dalawang bracket, no? Yung dalawang line natin, no? Hindi pala bracket, no? Line bracket, yan line bracket, no? So, yan yung ginagamit natin to symbolize determinants, no? So, paano ba 'yon, no? So, we have here four elements, di ba? For our 2 by 2, obviously. So, kukunin ninyo muna yung downward ng main diagonal, no? Yung downward, kukunin mo yung product, yun yung A times D, no? Then, sa pataas naman, ayan, no? Ayun naman yung C times B. Tapos, ang operation nila lagi is minus, no? Ayan, nakita nyo naman siguro minus, no? So, yung pababa, yung sa main diagonal, minus yung pataas, no? Mula naman dun sa pinaka lowest left element, no, ng matrix natin. Okay? So, that's for 2 by 2. For 2 by 2, actually, it's quite basic, no? Madali lang naman sa 2 by 2. 3 by 3, here comes medyo tricky ng kaunti, no? So, ito yung matrix ko, no, with elements A to I, no? Let's say elements A to I. Tapos, pinapakuha yung determinant natin. Yung pinaka-conventional way, no, yung pinaka-original way talaga in getting this is by applying yung rules nung sa ano, no, 2 by 2. Pero may iba siya. Bakit? Sulat ko muna, no, yung first two, no, ididikit ko siya dito, yung first two columns, no. Tapos lahat nung pababa coming from the main diagonal, no. Ayan. So, kukunin mo muna yung product ng pababa, no? So, A, E, I, yan yung product. Then, i-add mo lahat ng product ng lahat ng pababa. Okay, ganun siya. So, A, E, I plus B, F, G plus C, D, H. Ayan, kung mapapansin niyo. Then, lahat naman nung pataas. Ayan. No? So, kung mapapansin niyo, no, we have GEC. Ayan, GEC. HFA. Then, IDB. No? So, kukunin mo ulit yung sum ng lahat ng pataas pag ma-minusin mo lang sila. So, lahat ng pababa, minus yung pataas. Okay, but this is not the only way, no, in getting the determinant of a 3 by 3 matrix. No? So, excuse me. So, later no, sa example natin, ipapakita ko how do we get the How do we get the determinant of a 3 by 3 matrix using other methods? Now, meron pa tayong dalawa, yung cofactor tsaka using Gauss elimination. Okay? So, ayan, that's for 3 by 3. Properties of of determinants, no? Properties of determinants. So, sabi dito, no, the determinant of a matrix is equal to the determinant of the matrix transposed. No? So, ibig sabihin, yung determinant ng original matrix, tapos yung original matrix na kinuha natin yung transpose, yung transposition niya, no? Tapos kunin mo yung determinant nun, equal lang yung determinant nila. Okay? So, yun yung sinasabi dito. Next. That's for, for number 1. Det A is equal to det A transpose, no? Ayan. So, number 2, no? Sabi dito, kapag nag-interchange tayo, no? Let's say, pinagpalit ko si row 2 tsaka si row 1, no? Pag nag-interchange tayo, kung mapapansin niyo dito sa kabila, equal yung determinant nila, pero magkabaligtad ng sign. No, kung mapapansin niyo, meron tayong negative sign dito sa unahan. Yun yung sinisimbolize sa baligtad yung sign nilang dalawa, no? So, pag nag-interchange tayo later sa Gauss elimination, yung gagawin natin, like, kailangan natin magpalit ng sign, no? Nung determinant natin. Okay? So, that's the property number 2. And lastly, no, if you have 2 or more equal columns, no? Or rather rows, no? The determinant of that is equal to 0. No? So, yun yung pangatlo. Okay? So, ayan. That's the 3 properties of determinants, no? So, sige, no, let's solve, no? Ma-practice tayo. So, dito muna. Ayan. So, examples tayo. So, first, no, we have here our matrix. A is equal to 1, 4, 2, 8, no? So, kunin ko lang yung determinant niya. Don't forget to change the bracket, no? Yung ginagamit natin ng column. I mean, yung ginagamit natin pang group for determinant. No? To symbolize na, okay, we are dealing with determinants. Okay? So, pababa minus pataas. So, that is 8 times 1 minus 2 times 4. No? Which is 8 minus 8, which is equal to 0. No? So, the determinant of this matrix is equal to 0. Okay? So, yun lang naman yung sinasabi nito. No? So, next we have here, okay, number 2. Sulat ko lang dito. Number 2. So, I have here my, let's say, matrix B, no? 1, 3, 0, 2, 6, 2, 6, 4, negative 1, 0, 2. Okay? So, ito yung aking matrix B. Then, pinapakuha yung determinant. Okay, so gawin muna natin yung conventional way, no? Lahat ng pababa minus yung pataas. Okay? So, pababa. Ayan. So, we have here 1 times 6 times 2, no? Excuse me, 1 times 6 times 2 plus 3 times 4 times negative 1, then plus 0 times 2 times 0. No? Ayan. So, burahin ko lang yung mga lines ko, no? Ayan. So, yan yung pababa, no? Then minus lahat nung pataas. So, we have here 1, 6, 0, 0, 4, 1. Then we have 2, 2, 3. Okay, so we have negative 1 times 6 times 0. Then plus 0 times 4 times 1. Then plus 2 times 2 times 3. Okay? So we have here, no? So 1 times 6 is 6 times 2 is 12. Then we have 3 times 4 is 12 minus times negative 1 is negative 12. Then obviously this is 0, no? So plus 0. So everything else is 0. Ayan. Sinimplify ko na lang, no? Inunahan ko na. Then we have negative 1 times 6 times 0 is 0. 0 times 4 times 1 is 0, obviously. Then we have 2 times 2 is 12. At 4 times 3 is 12, no? So 0 0 plus 12 is 12, then times negative 1, no? Because of the minus sign dito. So, our determinant is negative 12. Ayan, no? So, that's using the conventional way, no? Yung mahabang method natin. Gamitin natin yung pangalawang method, no? By using cofactors, no? So, from our original matrix, no? Ayan. So, ito rin, burahin ko na rin to, no? Ayan. Okay? So, gamitin natin to, yung ating original matrix. Sulat ko lang. Oops. Sulat ko lang, no? One, three, zero, 2, 6, 4, negative 1, 0, 2. By the way, no? That, that B is equal to yung sinulat natin kanina, no? Just for proper presentation. Ayan. Okay? So, ito yung pangalawang, pangalawang method. Lagyan ko ng, yan, separation line. So, sabi, no, ang determinant daw natin dito, paano siya kinukuha? Using cofactors, no? This is the cofactor method. Ayan. Using the cofactor method. So, lalagay mo lang, ito yung pipiliin mo, no? Yung first row, no, pipiliin mo siya. Then 1, no, multiplied to the cofactor, no? Ano ba yung cofactor? Yun yung hindi niya ka-row or ka-column, no? So, 1 muna, no? So, since 1 yung pinili natin, ang ka-row niya yung 1, 3, 0, then yung ka-column niya is 1, 2, 1, 2, negative 1. So, ano yung kanyang cofactor? We have 6, 4, 0, 2. No? Yan yung kanyang cofactor. Teka, using ko lang. Then, kapag ganito guys, magpapalit kayo ng sign. No? So, this is positive. Then, we have here negative. No? Then, kay 3 naman tayo. Diba? So, kay 3, ito yung kanyang ka-row. Ito yung kanyang ka-column. So, lahat ng hindi tinamaan, yun yung kukunin mong cofactor. 2, 4, negative 1, 2. Ayan. Then last, no? Plus 0. So, obviously, this won't matter. Pero, sulat na lang natin, no? For the sake of presentation. Ayan. So, we have here 2, 6, negative 1, 0. No? So, this is equal to 0. Ayan. So, we have here 1 times. Paano kukunin nyo, paano nyo i-evaluate itong cofactor, no? Yung gamitin nyo lang yung pang 2 by 2 na determinant. So, that is 6 times 2 is 12. Minus 0 times 4 is 0. Minus 3 times. 2 times 2 is 4, no? Then we have negative 1 times 4 is negative 4 times negative 1 is positive 4. Okay? So, we have here 12. Oops. So, we have here 1 times 12. No? Ito yan. And then, minus 3 times 8. So, obviously, this is 12 minus 24. So, our answer is negative 12. Okay? So, did we get the same answer? Yeah. So, yes, we got the same answer, no? So, this is the cofactor method. And lastly, no, using Gauss elimination, no, lagay ko na lang dito. So, paano ba to? Now, convert nyo lang into Gauss elimination, no? Yung ating upper triangular. No, kopyahin ko lang, no? So, we have here 1, 3, 0. 1, 3, 0. Then, we have 2, 6, 4. Then, we have negative 1, 0, 2. No? So, okay, no, operate lang natin, no, using Gauss elimination. So, we have here, let's say I'll operate R2 plus 2R3, no? Para mag-add sila. So we have here 1, 3, 0, 2, 6, 4. So 2 plus negative 2, so that is 0. 6 plus 2 times 0 is 6. Then we have 4 times 2 plus 2 is 4 plus 2 times 2 pala rather. So 4 plus 4 is 8, no? The next dito tayo. So we have 2R1 minus R2. Okay? So we have here 1, 3, 0, 0, 6, 8. Tapos obviously no 2 minus 2 is 0. 6 minus 6, no? So 2 times 3 is 6 minus 6 is 0. 0 minus 4 is negative 4. Okay? So next, no, what we will do is pagpalitin ko na lang to, no? Pagpalitin ko to, no, yung ating dalawang row. Let me double check. Yan, sige. So we have here anyway, so pagpalitin natin to, no? Sabi natin pag nag-change tayo na row, di ba sa properties, magpapalit ng sign. So we have here 1, 3, 0. Then we have 0, 6, 8. Then we have 0, 0, negative 4. No? So we have here 6 times 4. No? Wait lang. Sorry. No? Teka. I have to change this, no? Sorry, hindi ko napansin. So, R1 plus R3. This may do pala, no? Ayan, sorry. Teka. So, we have here. Ayan. So, we have 1, 3, 0, 2, 6, 4. Then, this will become 0, 3, then 2. No? Tapos, dito naman. So, we have negative 2R1 plus R2, no? Ayan. So we have 1, 3, 0, 0, 3, 2, no? Then negative 2, no? Negative 2 plus 2 is 0. Negative 6 plus 6 is 0. Then we have negative what? Negative 4. Sorry. Negative 0 plus 4 is 4. Ayan. No? So, then, since yung sa second row natin has 2 zeros, no? So, pwede ko na lang pag-interchange tong dalawang to, no? Pag-i-interchange ko na lang sila. So, pag pinag-interchange ko sila, so, let's say, no, just to properly, R2 will be R3. Then, R3 will be R2. Diba? So, pag nagpalit tayo, obviously, sa properties natin, magpapalit tayo ng sign. So, we have 1, 3, 0, 0, 3, 2, 0, 4, 4. No? So, since this is the case, no? So, kukunin mo lang yung main diagonal, no? Tapos kunin mo yung product ng main diagonal tsaka yung sign. Obviously, you need to take into consider yung sign. So, we have negative ng 1 times 3 times 4, no, which gives us the determinant of b equal to negative 12. Yan. So be careful no in picking katulad kanina no. Namali tayo ng tingin kanina. So be careful in picking on what to operate no. So as ano no, tawag dito, it may change or alter the value. Okay, and take into consideration of course the properties. No, so that's how you solve 3 by 3 matrices. No? So, sir, paano naman kung halimbawa, greater, no? 4 by 4, 5 by 5. Actually, yun yung madalas sa pinapasolve in the exams. No? Kasi sa examples, of course, 3 by 3 is the easiest, no? So, sa 4 by 4, no, may tuturo akong method, no, for 4 by 4. So, sa 4 by 4, actually, medyo mahirap dito yung part ng sa ano, no, ang tawag dito, sa conventional kasi mahaba na masyado na marami mang ine-evaluate natin, no? So, let's say I have, ito yung aking matrix, no, matrix C. We have 1, 3, 1, 4, 3, 9, 5, 15. Then you have 0, 2, 1, 1, 0, 4, 2, 3, no? Ito yung ating matrix, no? So, you can do, no, yung lahat ng pababa, multiply lahat ng pataas kasi medyo tricky, no? Kasi kailangan mo na idugtong dito is tatlo. 131, 395, 021, 042. Tapos, maglalagay ka ngayon lahat ng pababa. Diba? Which is kind of tedious no gawin, especially you are multiplying large numbers and here. So instead we can use yung ating cofactor no, pwede kayo mag-cofactor. So kapag cofactor naman, ganito yung kalalabasan. So we have 1 9 5 15 2 1 1 4 2 3 no. Then, minus 3. Sabi ko sa inyo, change ng signs. So, we have 3, 5, 15, 0, 1, 1, 0, 2, 3. Then, plus 1 ulit, no? Then, we have 3, 9, 15, 0, 2, 1, 0, 4, 3. No? And lastly, we have negative 4, 3, 9, 5, 0, 2, 1, 0, 4, 2. So, ganyan yung pagkuha ng determinant using cofactor. But, I don't know, sinimulan ko na. You guys finish, no? To the answer, no? Para sa kinukuha nating determinant. No, instead ako ang gagawin ko, i-gauss elimination ko. Ako mas nadadalian ako sa gauss elimination. No. So just be careful, of course. Ayan. So I'm already done no dito. So ito ang gagawin ko. So I have here negative 3R1 plus R2, no? And yung i-operate ko. So I will have here, kopyahin ko lang yung mga hindi nagbago. Then I have here 3, sorry. So we have here negative 3 plus 3 is 0. Negative 9 plus 9 is 0. No? Then we have here negative 3 plus 5 is positive 2. Negative 12 plus 15 is positive 3. No? So, next, ito tayo, no? So, I have here, ito kasi kailangan ko. So, pwedeng negative 2R3 plus R4. No? Pwedeng yan yung gawin ko. So, yan. Dito ko nalalagay, no? Yan. So, 1, 3, 1, 4, 0, 0, 2, 3, 0, 2, 1, 1. Okay, so of course 0. The negative 2 plus 4 is negative 2 times 2 plus 4 is 0. Then we have negative 2 plus 2 is of course this is also 0. Then negative 2 plus 3 is positive 1. No? So next, anong gagawin ko? I will interchange R2 with R3. So dito ko na lang sulat sa baba, no? Ayan. So, of course, the determinant will become negative. No? So, 1, 3, 1, 4, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 2, 1, 1, 0, 0, 2, 3. No? Tapos, kunin nyo lang, no? Yung, ano na-form na natin to. So, kunin nyo lang yung, again, yung diagonal. No? So, therefore, the determinant for, ano ba letter to? Letter C. No? Det C natin is equal to negative 4. Okay? So, ayan, no? Medyo mas madali si Gauss elimination kung alam niyo of course yung operations na dapat gawin niyo, no? Pero yung iba kasi, I mean, yung iba kilala ko, they prefer this, no? Yung, ang tawag dito? Teka, ayusin ko lang. Oops. They prefer this cofactor method, no? In solving uh, determinants. Sabi nila, mas madali daw, pero ako, mas nadadalian ako sa Gauss elimination. Ayan, no? So, that's it, no? That's how you solve... teka, baba ko lang. That's how you solve determinants of different sizes, no? Ng mga matrix natin. So, again, no, determinants are only applicable for square matrices. So, in the next lesson, no, gagamitin natin yung determinant in one of its main application, which is using Cramer's rule. So, I hope you guys learned something, no? So, ayan, stay safe and God bless.